Hey, what's up, guys? Happy Monday. Today is March the 30th. We are out here on one of two jobs today. This is the residence of Mrs. and Mrs. Thurman. They're out here in the East Cobb, Marietta, Georgia area. And they actually reached out to me about 2 weeks ago. They have one room in the hallway that we're going to be doing today. And I said, Courtney, this room is vacant. Our son moved out and we just want to get it looking better. And really, guys, the floor is in good condition. It has a little paint splatters here and there when they paint it, and then it just needs some good coating. So that's what we're going to do here today, and also the hallway. And then we also have another project after this in Cummings, also a small screen and recoat, like 600 square feet. So let me show you guys what we're going to be doing here today. All right, guys, it was a great weekend. I actually had 4 new in-home consultations come in yesterday. So that's when people go to my website and they'll purchase the in-home consultation. And I've already talked to 3 of those people, got them on the schedule. One of them hasn't called me back yet, but that's pretty normal. A lot of people like me right now at work. So this is what we're doing here, guys. We're gonna be doing this hallway, which isn't too bad, but it connects with this room and this room right here. So what T is doing now, just scraping some of the paint off the paint right here, and then so we're just gonna screen this floor really good, and then get some coating down, and yeah, make this floor look good. So I do have a $750 minimum. That's my minimum for any services. So I told my client, they sent me pictures. They said, Courtney, that's fine. And that's what we're doing. All right, guys, stay tuned.
Oh, yeah. 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 One room, one shot, watch it glow right. From the 70s, now it looking brand new life. No sand and no dust, just a smooth recoat. Satin finish shine, yeah, we brought it back float. Yeah, Marietta car, said the paint hit the floor. Didn't want the full sand, just a little restore. Found me online, said Courtney, can you fix it? I said watch this work, let the process get lifted. Yeah, screen it down, clean it up real tight. Pull that paint up, got the grain bag right. ProCoat satin laying down smooth like jazz. Now that hallway glowing, got that rich flow. Class 111 hallway, still we do it big, light touch magic. Yeah, that's how we live. No mess, no stress, just a clean recoat. Old flows came alive, yeah, we gave them hope. From old to gold, story unfold. Ain't always gotta strip it down to make it look bold. Yeah. Truman touch, you already know. Small job shine, still the whole show. Marietta flows, now they gleaming flow. One day transformation, that's the required flow.
All right, guys, that is going to do it. Look at these floors now. I must say, this is not bad for a one-day recoat. Not even one day, it's probably take maybe a few hours. And the client loves it. All right. And again, guys, always remember, please listen, screening and recoating, it's just a terminology. Some people call it buff and coat. Screen and recoat, abrade the floor and recoat the floors. It does not replace full sanding, okay? In some cases, I would not touch a floor. You know, if it had a lot of water stains and paint stains, some floors I just won't touch. And I just tell people, listen, these floors need to be sanded or replaced, because every floor can't be sanded. And even if you have a solid floor, like this is a solid floor, so this floor can be sanded, but a floor can get so sanded so many times it can't be sanded anymore. So sometimes certain floors might need to be replaced. Mostly engineered floors usually need to be replaced if they're to the point of no return where you cannot restore them. But in this case, the client, their main concern was all the paint splatters, which we got up, and then just recoat it, just make it look better. They said, Courtney, this is the original floor from the 70s, and this is the first time this floor has been touched. And I must say, when I do jobs like this, really like the outcome. All right, guys, we're about to shoot up to Cummings now, back towards our way. We have another screen of recoat to do. It's about 623 square feet. I'm actually about to call him now to let him know we're on the way. Make sure all the furniture is moved out the way. And all right, guys, see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.